Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tastia Plus. Today we're going to make some homemade iced tea. Here we got some bottled water which I just boiled, and I'm going to add some tea bags, three tea bags. It depends how dark you want your tea. If you don't want it too dark, you can add one tea bag. That's fine. So we're just gonna leave this tea to boil a bit, and then I'm gonna remove the tea bags and just allow the tea to cook on its own. Yeah, so it's best to use bottled water because you don't want your tea to be cloudy. And this tea you sit in a coffee shop, sometimes it can be a bit not expensive, but they charge some money, yeah? But you don't know exactly what they put. So if you make your own, it's best. And summertime is the best time to have iced tea. Around here is summertime, then I decided to share you this recipe. So I'm adding some sugar, but some people they don't like sugar. You can skip the sugar or you can add some honey. And now I'm going to sieve the tea, only because if there was a tea bag which leaked, then at least we don't the grains don't have to go in our tea. Yeah, so the tea needs to be nice and clear. So here's our tea. I'm gonna let it cool, and I'm going to use this jar which I've just put some ice in it, and our tea is cooled. Now it's ready to serve. It's quite nice. Tea bags, the tea bags, they've got nice flavor which I like a lot. And here I'm gonna add some lemon because I didn't want to make it lemony. That's why I didn't add any lemon. But if you want, you can add it when you're making your tea, when you're boiling your tea. So I like it a little bit of flavor of citrus. So this is why I'm adding my lemon last, just to let it diffuse slowly in my tea. And then I'll get that nice flavor. So this is our tea. Now we're going to serve it. I'm going to use just a normal glass, or you can use a cup. I've got some ice in the glass again because we want it to be nice and cool. And anyway, we call it iced tea, so it's best if you have some extra ice in it. So this lemon is just for decoration. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of fruits. You can either add strawberry, blackberries, any type of fruit. And now I'm going to add some mint. Again, it will give that nice flavor and nice aroma when you're having it. It's already smelling nice. The aroma is real nice because the tea bag has got this nice aroma, and that's why I like these tea bags a lot. Our tea is ready. Guys, welcome. As you can see, the color is nice, but if you want it dark, as I said, you can make it darker by adding more tea bags. So this is our tea I've just tested, guys. It's nice. It does taste nice. This is just for the thumbnail. It's a picture for the thumbnail. Here we go. I've tried to decorate a glass just to make it nice for you guys. So I just dip it in icing sugar, so to just make it like look nice. So this is the iced tea. It's the same thing, lemon, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of fruits, and some ice. It's just like I just decorated it just a little bit. Guys, welcome. Thank you for all new subscribers and returning subscribers. And if you are watching this, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you won't miss out. And thank you for the likes. And if you have any comment, please comment below. I appreciate all the comments. Thank you very much, guys. So this is just to show you what you can have, or what I usually have summertime when it's really hot. Like today it is hot. Today it is hot. So